Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're taking a look at a brand new trade that just came in, a 2019 MasterCraft X26. Let's hop inside and take a look in the interior. Starting on the transom of this X26, we have great transom seats, both sides. They do have flip up backrests as well. Good spot to hang out, sitting at the sandbar. Tons of room in this boat. This is the largest boat in the MasterCraft lineup. Klipsch audio, tower speakers, strapless board racks, a nice backrest here to be able to face aft. Removable flooring, nice swing back seat here, and then a massive storage area in here. Great spot to put all of your gear. Bolster at the helm, and a massive bow area with some flip down armrests. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers and take a look at this MasterCraft X26.